You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose on Wednesday after higher than expected employment data increased early taper expectations. The dollar ended at 1.3592 to the euro and 102.23 to the yen. Today's data includes third quarter GDP data, which is expected to show a rise to 3%, third quarter personal consumption, which is expected to remain at 1.5%, and initial jobless claim, which is expected to rise to 323,000. Next to the euro. The euro fell on Wednesday after lower than expected retail sales data and tepid third quarter GDP final estimates overshadow a rise in services and increase the chances that the ECB will lower interest rates. The single currency ended at 1.3592 to the dollar and 138.96 to the yen. Today's main event is the ECB rate meeting, where there is considerable speculation that the governing council might ease policy further to try to stimulate the economy. British pound. Sterling weakened on Wednesday after services PMI unexpectedly fell more than analyst estimates. The pound ended at 1.6383 to the dollar and 0.8296 to the euro. Today's main event is the BOE rate meeting, although no change in policy is expected since recent strong data means that the central bank is unlikely to ease policy. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Wednesday after traders booked profit ahead of important data out at the end of the week. Commentary from BOJ's Takehiro Sato also supported the currency after he said he saw no need for BOJ to expand stimulus ahead of proposed tax hikes in April. The yen ended at 102.23 to the dollar and 167.56 to the pound. Today's data includes the coincident index and leading index in October, both of which are expected to rise. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to have a long position above 1.356 with 1.3655 and 1.37 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.356, which will call for 1.3525 and 1.349. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.6395 with 1.6332 and 1.629 inside. The upside penetration of 1.6395, which will open the way to 1.6445 and 1.65. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 102.45 with targets at 101.9 and 101.6. The upside breakout of 102.45, which will open the way to 102.85 and 103.35. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and be watching Markets for You. Have a great day.